Are you about to create your first YouTube video? Filming your first video can be a little scary. I mean, you don't know what to expect because it's your first time filming. Of course, you want to create a video that doesn't suck. That's why I'm going to tell you 5 things you must do before you hit record on your camera. If you've watched my other videos, some of these tips aren't that surprising. The first thing that you should do before you hit record on your camera is to survey the scene. Before you start filming your videos, you should always check your surrounding areas. You might want to check for confidential items like your driver's license, maybe client projects you don't want anybody to see, or even photos, like if you have kids and you don't want those pictures to be seen online. And then you might want to check for trash. So throw away any trash that's in your area. And then the third thing that you might want to check for is offensive items, like, I don't know, maybe magazine covers or like offensive language. Maybe there's something written down. So check for those things too. Maybe you don't want those seen on your video, or maybe it's not part of your branding, like what you want to portray. So if you have things like that, then put it away. Another thing that you want to check for is lighting. Like if you're using window lighting, if you're not using a lighting kit or a ring light, you might want to see if there's enough lighting for your video, because lighting affects the quality of your video. Like if you don't have enough lighting, if it's too dark, then the video might look grainy. So depending on the time, you might want to check to see how your video looks at that time, like with that lighting. The second thing that you must do before you hit record on your camera is have a script. I know I'm like a broken record with this. I'm always saying you have to have a script, you have to have an outline, but this is really important, especially on your first video. It really does save you a lot of time and energy when it comes to filming. And when you're first filming your video, you might feel a little nervous, scared. So when you're filming, you might forget what you want to talk about or start rambling off topic. A script will really help you stay focused and help film your videos faster. I know when I first filmed my videos, like before, when I first filmed my videos, I wasn't really showing my face, so I didn't really have a script because I was filming more tutorial style videos. So it was easy to go step by step doing things. So I didn't really need a script. So when I first created a video, it was still a tutorial, but it was a talking head video. Like it was my first time showing my face on my video, but I thought because it was a tutorial, it would be easy for me to film my video, but I was wrong. It really took me a long time to film that first video because I did not have a script. And I kept forgetting what I was supposed to say and what I was supposed to do. So if you're like me, if you get frozen whenever the camera is on you, like deer in the headlights type thing, then having a script will really save you time and help make videos easier to create. But even the opposite, if you're the type who talks a lot whenever you're nervous, then a script will help you stay focused on what you're supposed to be talking about. The third thing that you must do before you hit record on your camera is to wear something that makes you feel confident and comfortable. How do you want to feel whenever you're filming your videos? Do you want to feel cute? Then wear something cute. Wear something that makes you feel cute. If you want to feel fierce, then wear something that makes you feel fierce. If you're not feeling comfortable, or I should say, if you're not feeling yourself whenever you're wearing sweats and a ponytail, then don't wear that. I know that whenever I feel like wearing sweats and a ponytail, those are lazy days. Those are the days that I want to be lazy and I don't really care about how I feel. I just want to be a bum and read comic books and light novels all day, watch K-dramas, whatever. But that's not how I want to feel whenever I'm creating videos. I'm not sure about you. Maybe you feel comfortable and confident wearing sweats, but I know that's not how I feel when I wear it. So choose a style that makes you want to feel how you want to feel on camera. So that includes your outfit, your hair, and your makeup. Since we're talking about style, have you discovered your brand style yet? If not, then check out the ultimate roadmap to discover your brand style. You can get that in the link in the description box down below. Have you created your first video? If so, what are some of the tips that you would have for a beginner who's just getting started? Let me know in the comments down below. The fourth thing that you must do before you hit record on your camera is practice. This is your first time going on camera. So maybe you want to rehearse in front of a mirror. So you can grab your script and start talking in front of the mirror. So you can go into your bathroom mirror, go in your bathroom and use that mirror, or use a handheld mirror. It doesn't matter. Actually it does matter. Maybe you want to stand and talk or sit and talk, depending on how you're filming your video. So whenever you're looking in the mirror, you might want to see some of the things, like some of the bad habits you have. Like maybe you're talking too fast, talking too slow, or maybe you might be nervous. So you might be like stiff whenever you're talking. So look at yourself and see the things that you don't like, the things that you want to improve before you go on camera. Basically, you can adjust everything before you hit record. So the fifth thing you must do before you hit record is to remember to just breathe and keep going. So since this is your first video, maybe before you hit record, you might want to play some upbeat music, to get you in the mood, to shake off some of that nervousness. I know that whenever I first started recording videos, I actually had to play music and dance around just so I can get rid of some of that stiffness, because I realized that I was like kind of robotic whenever I was talking to the camera. So playing music and psyching myself out beforehand really helped. So you might want to play upbeat music, maybe pop music, rock music, like anything that gets you pumped up, not sad music. Something that will make you feel happy. Unless that's the brand that you're going for. I don't know, maybe you're making like emo type videos. I don't know. Remember, this is your first video, so you're going to make mistakes because you've never done this before. And every time you make a video, you'll keep learning and growing. Also, big tip, whenever you're filming your video and you make a mistake, just pause. You can just pause and then keep going, or pause and restart your thought process or the sentence, because this will really help you with video editing. You don't have to restart like the whole paragraph or anything like that, but just restart that thought process just to make it look better whenever you're editing your videos. So those were the 5 things that you must do before you hit record on your camera, especially if this is your first video. So again, those were to survey the scene, to have a script, to wear something that makes you feel comfortable and confident, to practice, and to just breathe and to keep going. If you're liking these videos and you want more videos on branding and creating videos, then hit subscribe so you'll always know about my new videos. And also, if you're still trying to discover your brand style, don't forget to get the ultimate roadmap to discover your brand style. You can get that in the link in the description box down below. Until next time, bye.